So let's just jump into another video. We're down here at the shop. We're going to be installing this heater box on this Camaro. This heater delete box. My bad. Is that a good thumbnail? You can tell what this is. So it's very simple how these goes on. You'll remove your heater box or AC box. This was just a... What was this? This one had AC on it, I do believe. This is an AC delete box. And what it does is take the place of your AC condenser and everything. So we're going to be installing this, but first we're going to just scuff this down and shoot this firewall with some black, some, you know, magic Rustoleum. We're going to scuff this down, spray this too, and we're going to silicone the back of this before we install it so it seals good. Might be a pain to get back off, but we shouldn't have to take it back off. To scuff this down, I'm just using a red Scotch-Brite. They're very handy. Pick some up if you have it. And we're going to scuff all this the best we can, and then just dress it up with some paint just to make it all shiny again. You know, because it's a hot rod. And an update on the car, we got the rocker panels in, and I'll make a full video updating you on that, showing you progress. So, let's subscribe if you're new, but let's get back to painting this firewall. To seal that onto the thing, this is the silicone we use, white stuff. It makes a great bond, and usually you ain't gonna get it back apart, but it seals extremely good. I highly recommend it. And to paint the firewall, we're just using this acrylic lacquer. And for engine bays and stuff, it works extremely good because it's out of the UV. And you want to shake, you can. I'm following the instructions. The heater box is now installed. Had to use some self-tappers because these never do fit the way they should. And you sometimes have to elongate some holes for the factory hose that works. But everything looks good. Just don't install no self-tappers around your heater core because you can put a hole in it. That'll be a bad day. And if you do use self-tappers, use the shorter ones, so you don't go all the way super far into your box. But it's installed. The silicone looks pretty good. I'm going to take my finger and just smooth it out around it. And then we'll, after I scuff it, I put the silicone on it, and then we'll spray it. I done did this side. Looks pretty good. And this side, this is one coat. I'm letting it tack up. I'll put 2 coats on everything just to cover it good. So this is 1 can of paint. I'm actually going to go let this tack up and go to the store and get 2 more cans of paint. I want to put a nice coat on this. That way it's even glossy. But it looks, I think it's going to turn out good. It looks extremely well for a quick firewall paint job. So I made it back to the shop. It's a warm night out. It's Kentucky weather. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's snowing, sometimes it's 60 degrees, sometimes it's 90, sometimes it's 10. It don't know what it wants to do. But anyway, this is the firewall. How's that look? We painted it with Rustoleum. See that? That's an even better thumbnail than when we first started. Hold on, I'll show you the car. Let me go set this up inside. Check it out. We got the Mazda, by the way, the affordable Mazda. Yep, still on the channel. But just for a scuff and shoot, it has 2 coats of Rustoleum. I used 2 cans on this, actually a can and almost a second can. But any touch up needed to be done. I got enough in the can to go over it quick enough. But that looks extremely good. This is gloss black, by the way. And the reason we didn't paint in here, because that will be the color of the car. The silver, that's the color this will be. This is the jam. This is the firewall. So we're ready to paint inside the fenders. Put the radiator support on. Maybe touch the frame up. Wash it off because it's got moss and stuff on it. Then paint the frame. Wire brush it some. You know, little paint magic. The rocker panels is in. They fit pretty good. The other side didn't fit as good. I had to pie cut the front of the other side, so we had to body work it. Just a tad. I don't know why, just the way the stamp must be wore out for the passenger side. The stamp's good on the... But that's what you get with cheaper aftermarket panels. Even the good quality ones. It's expected. You're going to need work on any panel that you put in. Even quarters. Even if they're full quarters. So, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. You think we should paint the Firewall silver? Or do you like it black? I want to know your opinions on this, you know, because opinions do matter to me. And it's a good conversation starter. Do you prefer your Firewalls classic? Or do you prefer them painted to match the exterior of the car? That'd be a good debate, won't it? That's what the comment section is for. Thanks for watching. Check the eBay store out. That's a little extra support for me. There's always something on there. Don't buy anything you don't need, but it's in the description below. Thanks again.